right, guys, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at expressions. They're like equations, but they have things like parentheses, exponents, fractions, multiplication, division, adding, and subtracting. So you know how to work on two-part problems. What we're going to do today, instead of working those two-part problems out separately, we're going to create an expression that helps us solve that problem. So here's our first word problem. Maria and her friend go to a movie. At the snack stand, they each get a drink that costs $5 and a popcorn that costs $8. Maria pays for her friend. How much does Maria pay altogether? So let's think about it. Maria and her friend are going to the movies. So there's how many people? 2 people. There's 2 people going to the movies. Okay? So I might just write down really quickly. 2 people. Okay. There's 2 people going to the movies. What are they doing at the movies? So it looks like they each get a drink that costs $5 and popcorn that costs $8. So Maria gets a $5, right, drink, and so does her friend. So technically, we know that we have to do 5, right, 2 times. And they got a popcorn, each of them, $8 for popcorn 2 times. Okay, so we're going to think about how we could solve this and write an expression. So we want to know all together. So we know when we do all together, we're either thinking of multiplication or addition, okay? We've already decided that it's got to be multiplication because we're doing everything 2 times. So how much does she spend? So let's think about how much does Maria spend on herself? Well, we have to add up the drink and the popcorn, right? So we know that we're doing 8 plus 5. That's the drink and the popcorn, right? But remember, she does this how many times? 2 times, because she does it for herself and for her friend. Okay, so now we have 2 times 8 plus 5. Now the problem is with this, what are we going to do first? Usually you would look at this and you would do, oh, let's do 2 times 8 plus 5. But that's not really what our problem's asking us to do first. We have to figure out how much money she spent for each person and then multiply it by 2. So I don't know if you remember this. PEMDAS. Each of those stand for something that we do in math. Parentheses always comes first. Exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. I'm going to put parentheses around 2 numbers to ensure that we do that part first.